Alright, make your salad like this and thank me later. Alright, even kids will love this one. So what we're gonna need is lettuce, we're gonna need tomato, green bell pepper, we have the red one, we have carrots, and then we have cucumber right there, lime, mayonnaise, yep, that's what we're using, thank me later, and a little tip of sugar. Alright, let's get straight to it now. So now work with me. In this video I'm not gonna cut anything, right? So let me just, yeah, my hand is washed, don't worry, and everything is clean, so let's go. I'm not gonna cut this video, so even the kids gonna love this, trust me. If you have kids who don't like salad, do it like this and just let them have a taste. Alright? Alright. Look at that. It's already looking beautiful. And trust me, I get all the ingredients ready. In no time this is done. That's why I'm not gonna cut this video, so keep on watching. Alright. Everything is already washed and prepared for this video. So alright, there you go. Alright, let me hold this down a little bit. There you go. So next is the, don't worry, I'm here. Whoa. Next is the cucumber. Alright. Cut it down like this. Let me do it like this. Go round and round. That is it. Got your green bell pepper. You put them in there too also. Yep, simple and easy, man. Simple and easy. Simple salad. Alright, in a different way. Alright, so now we have the tomato. Cut it down the middle like this. Now this is how I like to cut my tomato. Like, I cut it again like this, and then you can squeeze it out if you want. Alright, excuse me. So I'll just squeeze it out. So I like a bit of tomato in my salad, so I'm gonna squeeze out this also. I'm not gonna use everything. Alright, I'm still here. So alright. Remember, I'm not cutting this video. Just stay tuned. Alright, carrots, my grater. This is just like decoration, you know, to give it some life. See, already looking good. Alright, that's enough. Yep, a little more. Alright, old school. So now a little bit of lime. Yeah, not too much. Just use half of one lime. Then you're gonna add mayonnaise. Now we're not making coleslaw, but trust me, this is gonna bind everything together. Just watch me. Sugar, as I said, yeah, just a little bit. Just a little bit, see? It wasn't even full. It wasn't even quarter, and it still has, you know, it's just enough to make everything get a little touch. salad. Alright. That's it. See? Not even 5 minutes. Once you get all the ingredients together, your vegetable and everything, not even 5 minutes. It's not a coleslaw, so I don't put a lot of mayonnaise in it. It's just enough. Alright? And when you're going to serve it too, like if you have a big crowd, you're going to serve it. You know we all serve salad like this, but you're going to serve it and you want it to look good. Where's the piece? You just grab a piece more carrot and do it like this. You understand? Give it some life. See? Simple. Easy. So we have what? Lettuce, cucumber. We got half of tomato leaf, and I use a red bell pepper, green one, lime, and a little bit of sugar, some mayonnaise, and that is it. Let me see if I can push this down for you so you can get closer. Alright. It's a good salad right there. Nothing over the top, right? Yeah. Alright. So simple and easy salad. So I'm gonna make my plate right now and you'll see what's up. Thank you for watching. One love.